everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make your goodies filled Easter eggs sitting on a chocolate nest. So let's get started. Here we have 4 bowls of melted white chocolate. I have chosen 4 different gel colors. You can choose any color of your choice. Add the colors and mix well. This is an egg-shaped silicone mold. Pour the melted chocolate and swirl it around. You can use a spoon to spread it well. Scrape the extra and refrigerate. The egg shells are ready for second coating. Here I have melted dark chocolate. Take a glass and fit the piping bag in it. Fill it with dark chocolate. This is a bowl of cold water. Pipe the dark chocolate into the bowl as shown. Carefully remove it from water and place it on a board or plate. A nice nest-looking garnish is ready. Carefully unmold the eggshells and keep them in pairs. Fill them with candies of your choice. a hot pan to melt the edges of the shells so that it sticks well and form a nice 3D eggshell. Take a plate and carefully place the nest and then place the eggs in the nest. Eggs are a symbol of new life. So let's get them cracking.